Chocolate Keto Pie Recipe. Use only the best ingredients. 1 1/4 cups almond flour, 3 tablespoons coconut flour, 1/4 cup Cacao Bliss, or 2 tablespoons 100% dark cocoa or cacao powder, ½ teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons butter, cubed and chilled, 4 teaspoons vanilla, 4 fresh eggs, 7 ounces sugar-free chocolate chips, 10 tablespoons unsalted butter, softened, 2½ cups heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons powdered erythritol. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees, spray a pie pan with cooking spray and set aside. Step 2. Add all ingredients for the crust to a food processor and pulse until coarse crumbles form. Step 3. Press into a greased pie plate and bake at 350 degrees for 9 to 10 minutes or until crust starts to turn golden brown. Remove from oven and let cool completely. Step 4. Whisk together powdered sweetener and eggs in a saucepan over low-medium heat, stirring constantly. Heat until the egg mixture reaches 150 to 160 degrees or until it coats the back of a spoon. Don't overcook or your eggs will curdle. Remove from the heat and stir in melted chocolate and vanilla and set aside. Step 5. In a large bowl, cream butter with an electric mixer until fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the cooled chocolate mixture and mix until light and fluffy. Step 6. In a separate medium bowl, beat the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Carefully fold whipped cream into the chocolate mixture until combined. Step 7. Pour chocolate mixture over pie crust and refrigerate the keto chocolate pie for at least 6 hours or overnight. Step 8. To make the topping, whip heavy cream, sweetener and vanilla on high using an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. Scoop on top of chocolate layer and spread evenly. Top with sugar-free chocolate shaving. Check the description below for more great keto recipes. Cheers!